Yo guys, this is Josh from JoshTubeHD, and today we are going to be playing a Disney Infinity 2.0 Spider-Man playset mission. We are going to be doing the sound of safety. First thing you have to do, I'm not sure if you have to complete the whole playset, but I've completed it and it's my last mission to do. I decided to share it with you guys.
Hey, help me with this.
It's like I'm reading in my head. Okay, so we have to now go to the bridge. Where we were. And then I guess we have to protect these vans. I'm guessing you have to do it with the destroy these, like make sure you don't destroy the van. You don't want to waste too much ammo on the guns, otherwise we will run out of ammo and then it won't be very good. That was a bit of a waste. We have 2 left. What we are going to do is I'm going to kill some of these by fighting. This one's easy to duck kill. Now, is there one attacking this? Yes, there is. So, that's a bit bad. Whoa. I think this is quite a hard mission in my opinion. So it says, oh, huge one. Okay, use this good time. Use the super move. Yes, we defeated him. So that was the sound of safety mission. We have finally completed the Spider-Man playset.